inside your heart, is there any room for me? I won't have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee, because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me?
Hi vlog. First of all, get into the new coat. You see me ain't nothing but a little sunset. But anywho, we're going shopping because guess what? I did something that our parents used to hate that we did. I knew that I am going to the Wicked premiere tomorrow, yet I have nothing to wear but this fur coat. So we're going on the road. We're gonna go figure out our outfit. I bought some hair last night at the hair store, so we're gonna do a little curly routine to turn a moment, you feel me? I thought, you know, movie premiere, we just gonna sit down in the movie theater and watch the movie. Ain't nothing to it but to do it. No, apparently it's gonna be quite a thing, yeah? So I have to look my best. I have to look like my mother loves me. We've made it to my favorite store in the world, TJ Maxx. Look at her. TJ Maxx, call me. I love your store. You did a fine job because it's so aesthetically pleasing. Oh, somebody called me with tea. I gotta go. So I realized that I really didn't take you shopping with me yesterday, but to be quite honest, I didn't find anything. I'm wearing this dress that I already had in my closet, so we shopped in Lashanya's closet. But I did buy this new necklace. I thought that was cute. I don't know if you can see it. We can see it, whatever. I'll zoom in. And then I did buy a new Aldo bag. So, I mean, we got something. We got something, baby. We got something. Finally, after getting ready, dolled up, we are heading. I'm literally outside with hotel slippers on, y'all, because my shoes are on the right of me. I'm 45 minutes from Ashani's house, and then I'm gonna call the car that they sent for us to get. Unfortunately, she's not gonna be with me because she's leaving from Long Island, but I'm gonna park at her house, and then I am going to get the ride to go to the premiere with Wella. I'm super excited. I'm so happy. I'm super grateful for my friend to even think of me, to be like, hey, you know what? You could be my plus one. Like, I just love my friends. I love all the people that God has put in my life. They're just so thoughtful and caring and nurturing to like my hobbies and the things that I like. Like, how many people can say that? And honestly, coming from like past relationships where like my content creation hobby wasn't really supported unless there was like, you know, oh wow, like this brand talked to you or this person reached out to you. It's so nice like having friends in my life that get it and just like are just supported from the jump, you know, or they're in the same like have the same hobby as me, so they get it and they're not like annoying if I want to take a video, annoying if I want to take pictures, annoying if I want to make content. Like, it's just so refreshing. It's so refreshing to be around like-minded, equally yoked people. And I'm actually really excited to see this movie because, fun fact, I did the Wizard of Oz play when I was in 5th grade, and I was the Tin Man. I know you probably did not guess it, and I had the singing part too. Apparently my dad shed a tear. I wish I had the original footage of that play because I could see like 8-year-old Lashanya or 9-year-old, whatever, like singing If I Only Had a Heart. I just think that is so cute. I'm so hungry. So hungry. I probably should have ate before I came. Hopefully they got a little bite for somebody. My driver is coming in 8 minutes at a Lincoln Navigator. I got premium because I was just like, it's free, so why not, right? But if they do charge me crazy, I will just pay for it. Whatever, it's just $150. But I just feel like being bougie today because I'm a child of God and I deserve it. My makeup is not eating like it did before. This driver's gonna be here in 5 minutes. Lick a little dab of that. I ain't been getting no sleep. It's a 45-minute ride, and I'm gonna be editing like a freaking mad woman because I'm so behind on content, but I think this content could go stale. So I'm gonna try to edit just like a TikTok and a reel kind of vibe. Wella Professional sent a nice little Uber Black. That man was so nice. I was flicking it up in his car. He was like, you like it? I was like, I do. This Uber Black experience was so luxury. This man was like, do you want me to wait for you after your movie? Like, what is going on? I never had an Uber experience like this. That's the bad thing about luxury because now every time I'm in a city, I'm gonna feel like I need an Uber Black and a waiting driver. I don't know. It adds to my new alter ego. City girl showing you. New York traffic fashion. We pulled up late, but we finally made it in time. Look at Shani. She looks so cute. We got inside. They're like, y'all have to take pictures. Who y'all telling? These are 2 content creators, okay? I was gonna do that anyway. Had us feeling real nice with the rosé and the champagne. Now my sweet tooth self had to grab some candy. We were ready for the movie. Honestly, y'all, this movie was so cute. I'm not super big on musicals, funny enough, being that I was literally in the Wizard of Oz musical. But they did an amazing job with the visuals, the costumes, the hair, and the cast, yes. Because why was Anthony from Bridgerton, India? At the end, Wella gave us some gifts that they had for their collab with Wicked. Super excited to try those out. The girls hopped right back into another black truck. Yep, just to go 3 minutes down the block because who was walking? Why? Why do we have to? You know, we've been through enough playing Hannah Montana, doing work, and then finally making it to this event. I'm just so happy that my girls shared this experience with me. We tried to grab some dinner, but of course the tables were full, so I guess we were on the skinny girl diet for the night, and we went home. I'm actually ashamed to tell you guys where we are. It's fine.
Not me ordering a quarter pounder, then immediately after looking at what the crisis really is. They're switching to fresh beef. What was it before?
Oh, it wasn't fresh before?
It was E. coli, not even quarter pounder, not even listeria. Okay, girl, I'm gonna just pray. Consumers are thought to have got sick between September 27 and October 10. So all of them were like the trial period. They got sick already. So they were sacrificed.
This is Ashani justifying her purchase. Hi, thank you so much.
I'm scared.
No, you gonna eat it now, girl.
Bye.
You ever see that little girl is like, bye, bye.
Wish us luck with the listeria.
Hi, vlog.
Hey, y'all.
Oh my god, we only have one bar.
That means charge.
No, it's dead. Last night we had a good time.
We had a time last night.
We were vibing up in at Café Erzulie. I feel like Café Erzulie is just a vibe for me. It's a cute little vibe.
That's where you thrive.
And we definitely like got in for free, so it made it even more of a vibe. We are heading to a market in Union Square.
We're going to the Union Square Holiday Market.
And I saw this TikTok or this video on Instagram. This girl, she got this hot cocoa. So I'm thinking about it because I love me a
want
hot
that too,
cocoa.
with a little toasted marshmallow at the
Yeah,
top.
you saw it too?
Oh, I did. The squirrel.
Okay, anyway. So that's what's going on.
Hey, y'all. We're at the Union Street Holiday Market. We stumbled upon this little stand right here. It's called Cool Moonshine. They're offering shots of moonshine. So as a tester, they have 4 different flavors. They have apple pie, cranberry, and then 2 other ones that we weren't interested in. So we decided to try the cranberry one. I'm excited, a little nervous. I have some apple cider from Hudson Valley as a chaser in case I don't like it. Here we go, y'all. I'm nervous.
First off, the girls are much more.
Oh, all right. Okay. That's delicious. That tastes good.
I thought it was gonna be really, really strong.
I think these are 20%, and then the other ones are the 80 proof, so like 40%.
I feel like you could get some chest here though. I'm feeling something right here. It's getting warm.
I like that.
It's getting warm. Also, there's a oud standing. I know I cannot resist.
It smells amazing.
Can't resist the oud, so I will be getting one.
It's called Oilology.
Yeah.
So we're
I
making
have
our
stone
rounds.
crumbs all over my lips. That's what that is.
And I had a jelly donut, and I'm not sick. It's just allergies, y'all.
She's allergic to her own cat.
I love him though. I love him.